Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Section 3.15, working with rows and columns, fast and easy. We'll be discussing inserting rows and columns in this session. To insert a new row or rows, use either of these methods. Select an entire row or multiple rows by clicking the row number in the worksheet border. Right-click and choose Insert from the shortcut menu. Or move the active cell to the row that you want to insert and then choose Home, Cells, Insert Sheet Rows. If you select multiple cells in the column, Excel inserts additional rows that correspond to the number of cells selected in the column and moves the columns below the insertion point. Now, here we go. We're just going to insert a row. I'm at row 8. I'm just going to right-click row 8, look at the list here, and I'm going to insert. I just inserted a row. That's simple. If you want to insert using the ribbon, go to Insert, go to Cells, go to Insert, go to Home, Cells, Insert Sheet Rows. Very simple. To add a column, we're going to follow the same steps. Identify a column. Here we have column E. Just highlight the column, go to Home, Insert Column. You're going to note that now we have a new column. Now, let me point out something here. When you insert a column wide, hit Insert Column, and you're going to see the column here in column C is going to match the same width as column B. Keep that in mind. I'm going to show you another example. I'm going to hit S, Ctrl Z to start over. I'm going to go to column D and I will insert a column by highlighting column D, hit Insert, and notice it just inserted a column, but notice the width. That's what you have to be concerned with when you're adding columns or rows. To remedy this, move over to another column and insert accordingly. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.